So from my last video we have this. Now let me delete it. I want to delete everything. I just select the last layer, hold shift, select the top layer and press delete. It will delete everything. And then let's format a shape. Let's go to this rectangle shape. Let's draw a rectangular shape. You have a shape, but the funny thing is that this shape, it's brought out the properties of the shape. There is a property panel here. Once you draw a shape, it will bring out the property of the shape, and this property panel, you can see everything about the shape. So this is the size of the shape, this is the color. Why there is no why it looks white? Because the color of the shape is white. I can decide to select black, I can decide to select red, I can decide to select green, I can decide to come here and choose any color I like and click OK. It changes the color, and I can decide to say okay, I want a gradient. There are several gradients. You can see the gradient here. There are several gradients you can use in your shape. So whatever the gradient is, if you say no, you want to pick the color of the gradient yourself for the shape, you come here. These two are where you can format your gradient, any gradient. You come here, you say okay, I want red, I want that place to be so red. You can see I'm making it red, and I want the other place to be, let's say, yellow. You can see a yellow here. Okay, so I formatted it by myself. If you say okay, you want 3 colors, just come to this middle and click create a third color. It has created it. I double clicked it, so I create a third color. Let's say I want a very light green, so it has created a light green color. So that's how you create a gradient. If I say no, I just want a single color in my shape, I'll click this one. It goes back to a single color. This, if I say I don't want any color at all, then you click this, it cancels all the colors. So that's how to format a shape, the color of a shape. But let me give it a color. Let me give it green, and then that's the color I want. So here, this second one, you give your shape an outline. If you click it, if you select this, it gives you an outline, but the outline is so thin. If you give this like 10, if you make it like 10, and because let's give it another color, red, you can see that the outline is red. If I want it to be black, I can make it black, I can make it blue, I can make it any color, just outline. Then you can always increase the size. Once you click it here to bring out this, and then you can increase the size of your outline, you can reduce the size, you can increase the size, you can reduce the size, you can increase it. So I want my own to be a brighter green, so you can make yours a brighter green too, and then that's how. So I want here, you decide what kind of outline you want. You can have a broken line outline, it's a very broken line, you can have a straight line. So that's just what that place is for. And then here you can come here and just click it, and then the edges of your box will be shaped, will be curved. I mean, you can have curved edges. And why everything is affecting the 4 edges is because this place is checked. If this place is unchecked, you have all 0, and then you uncheck it, that means you have to do it one by one. Here will be, you can drag and move it to be shaped. Then you can come here till you click it and drag it forward to be shaped, and then you can come here to click it and drag it forward, it will be shaped. then you can come here, you click it and drag it forward to be shaped. So that's how to, but the moment I click this middle, whatever I do will affect everything at once. So that's that about formatting text. So I want you to do something. Let me delete it. You go to the rectangle tool, you create a box, you make it blue. You just click blue here and pick a very light blue, and then give it a outline. This outline, you click it, and then you select the same blue that you use for the, you select it and make sure your outline is 10 pixels, and then you select the blue, and then come here and double click the, double click the color and make the blue deeper. Okay, so we have a deep outline. Make your outline a bit big, make like 40, and then I want you to do this, and then where's the properties again? Click properties. I want to uncheck this, and then make this like this, curve it so much. So I want you to do this. This is a very simple shape where I just curved an edge and then give it an outline. Do this and let me see.